Welcome back to Upcoming Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700, a machine that continues to define the middleweight adventure segment. Yamaha has refined this already impressive ADV bike with subtle yet impactful updates, making it even more capable for riders seeking a balance of off-road prowess and on-road comfort. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Tenere 700 remains the reliable 689 cubic centimeters CP2 parallel twin engine, delivering the perfect blend of torque and efficiency. With a revised ECU and optimized fuel mapping, Yamaha has fine-tuned throttle response for smoother power delivery across all terrains. Whether you're tackling technical trails or cruising at highway speeds, this engine continues to impress with its linear power curve and strong mid-range punch. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha keeps the Tenere 700's rugged DNA intact with its lightweight, double-cradle steel frame, but the 2025 model benefits from revised KYB suspension settings. The fully adjustable 43mm front fork and rear shock now offer improved damping, ensuring better handling in rough conditions while maintaining excellent stability on paved roads. This refinement enhances comfort without compromising the bike's off-road agility, making it a well-balanced choice for adventure riders. Technology and features. A major highlight for 2025 is the all-new 5-inch TFT display, which now supports Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can access navigation, notifications, and vehicle diagnostics via Yamaha's mobile app. Additionally, Yamaha has introduced a switchable ABS system with 3 modes, full, off-road, and rear-wheel deactivation, providing more control in diverse riding conditions. The redesigned LED lighting system further enhances nighttime visibility, ensuring a safer riding experience. Ergonomics and comfort. Long-distance riders will appreciate Yamaha's attention to rider ergonomics. The 2025 Tenere 700 now features a slightly narrower seat for better maneuverability without sacrificing comfort. The revised windscreen and improved handguards offer better wind protection, reducing fatigue on extended highway rides. These upgrades make it a more versatile choice for those who split their time between pavement and dirt. Final thoughts. Yamaha has successfully refined the Tenere 700 without straying from its core philosophy, simplicity, durability, and off-road capability. The 2025 model builds on its predecessor's strengths, offering smart updates that enhance both everyday usability and adventure potential. Whether you're an experienced ADV rider or new to the segment, the Tenere 700 remains one of the most compelling options in the middleweight adventure class. Let us know in the comments, does this updated Tenere 700 live up to your expectations? Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on upcoming auto reviews.